In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Google BigQuery to Claude. This will allow you to forget about SQL, you leave that to Claude, and you focus on asking the right questions so you can get better marketing insights. So let's start. The method that we're gonna use in this video to connect your Google BigQuery is by using the Google BigQuery MCP inside Claude. These are the steps that you need to follow. First, you need to be on Claude, then you click on Customize, then you click on Connectors, you click on the plus button, then you select Browse Connectors, and here you will search for Google Cloud BigQuery. After this, you will be required to enter your auth client ID and your auth client secret. To do this, first you have to set up the consent screen of the project inside your Google BigQuery that has the tables that you want to connect to Claude. If you haven't set up the consent screen for your project, you need to go to Google Cloud Console. Then you select the project that contains the tables you want to connect. You click on the menu, you select APIs and services, and you click on Auth Consent Screen. If you haven't set it up, you will see a button that says Get Started. You click on it, and then you will have to fill out the app information. You give a name for your app. It can be BigQuery MCP, Test App, whatever name that is easier for you to remember. Then you add the user support email. For audience, I'm going to select internal because I'm not going to deploy this app for anyone else outside my organization. Actually, it will only be myself because this is for the video. If you don't have a Google Workspace account, probably you will not be able to choose internal. Don't worry, just choose external, it doesn't matter. Then you provide an email for contact information and you agree on the terms and click on create. After you have set up the consent screen, you need to go to data access inside the auth consent screen tab on Google BigQuery. You click on add or remove scopes and you need to select the BigQuery scope, auth BigQuery, the one that I'm showing you right now. You click on add or update, and now we're almost done. Now that we have done this, we need to go again to the APIs and services tab. Then you select credentials. In this window, you are gonna select create credentials and you're going to choose auth client ID. For application type, you're going to select web application. In name, I choose Claude, but you can name this however you want. Then we need to authorize the redirect URIs. You click on add and you're going to paste this URI that is in the first comment and in the description of this video. Afterwards, you click on create, and as soon as you do that, you will see your client ID and your client secret. This is the information that we need to paste in our Claude. So we're gonna copy our client ID, we paste it on Claude, and we're gonna copy our client secret and we paste it on Claude. Then we click on continue. Afterwards, you have to authenticate your account. So you choose the Google Cloud account that is owner of the project that you want to connect to Claude. Then you click on open in desktop app and you will see the Google BigQuery MCP connected. First, I'm gonna ask Claude to list me all the tables inside each dataset of my Google BigQuery account. As you can see, it has listed me all the datasets and the tables inside of each dataset. And at the top, it says that there's a dataset named CRM report data, and inside that dataset, I have a table named Klaviyo email data. Now I'm going to ask Claude to create a dashboard out of that Klaviyo email data table. It has created the dashboard. At the top, it's showing me some scorecards with the total email sent, total opens, total clicks. Then it's showing me a time series chart, displaying me the evolution of sent, opens, and clicks. And also it's showing me a time series chart with the evolution of the CTR and the open rate. This is pretty useful so that you can understand what is going on with your email strategy. You can also ask Claude to run this same analysis with any other table that you have inside Google BigQuery. For example, a table for paid ads, a table for your organic efforts, whatever, you can do it. With this Google BigQuery MCP, you can get access to all the tables that you have inside Google BigQuery. However, you cannot send information or create new tables inside your Google BigQuery account. Over this video, I have assumed that you already have all your tables inside of it. But if you don't have it, to send all your information to Google BigQuery, the easiest way is using the Porter Metrics MCP. By using the Porter Metrics MCP, you get access to more than 20 marketing data platforms. You can cross them, you can merge them, and with Claude, for example, if you have a report merging TikTok ads, Google ads, Meta ads, LinkedIn ads, then you can ask Claude to do the blend and later send it to Google BigQuery as a new table. Claude will ask you what is the project where you want the table, what is the new dataset, the dataset location, and the table name. And afterwards, through the Porter Metrics MCP, it will send all the table inside Google BigQuery. This is huge because it will save you a lot of time and you will be able to do a lot of tables blending information from multiple marketing data sources. And that's all. I hope this video was useful. Subscribe and see you in the next one.